We picked these Anderson levelers up when we bought our trailer back in November 2018. Our trailer basically is exclusively on them, whether it be at our house or camping. The house is a little uneven. We like to have it level, so when we do get ready to go camping, we can fire up everything and not have to worry about being unlevel. So the Anderson levelers are always being used. Yeah, I'm holding one that's broken. It broke, and I thought I'd do a review and let you know if I recommend them. And yes, I actually do recommend them. When I did submit the claim on their website, you know, just went through, filled out some information. They asked for a picture of it, so I sent them a picture, and just the cost of shipping, which you see right there is how much it cost. I think it was under $15. Unfortunately, we were going camping the next weekend, and I knew we weren't going to be able to get it by then because it was a Thursday before Memorial Weekend. You know, I'm not going to expect them to have it shipped there before I go the next week. But there was some in stock over at one of the local camping places, so we ran over, picked another one up, and they're about $40 a piece, you know, for the leveler along with the chalk that comes with it. And we went camping, got back on Sunday, and outside was a box. It had already been delivered, so there's the brand new one. They sent the chalk and they even sent the leveler too. So we actually have a spare one, so if that does break again, we're not don't have to worry. We can still level the trailer out while we're getting the other one warranted. But do I recommend them? Yes. They're so slick, they're so easy to use. Shortly, hopefully this next week or so, I'm going to have a video of us actually demoing how simple it is. But if you were kind of thinking about getting these and you weren't quite sure, just on their warranty, and like I said, I've used these, we've probably done 20 plus camp trips with this trailer since we've got it. So you figure these have been used 40 times. You know, every time it's here, it's sitting on them. When we go out camping, it's sitting on them. So I can't complain. I think they're a great product. They're actually made in Idaho, so they're made in the United States. Local for Idahoans like myself. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope to see you on the next one.